Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming Gboard is the active keyboard and updated. Once done, back up your personal dictionary so nothing is lost, then reboot the phone to clear transient glitches. Next, disable or uninstall competing keyboards to avoid conflicts. This prevents input method collisions. Make sure you have Wi-Fi or mobile data ready for downloads. These initial steps remove common blockers and get you straight into the fix without wasting time on needless checks. You now clear Gboard's cache and storage to remove corrupted data. This resets temporary files without touching your system. Once cleared, force stop the app and immediately confirm permissions. Missing mic or storage permission can break voice typing and personalization. If issues persist, uninstall updates or fully uninstall and reinstall Gboard from the Play Store so you get a fresh, stable install. These steps eliminate corrupt state and restore the app's default behavior, which fixes most keyboard failures. You finish by setting Gboard as the default keyboard and immediately test typing, voice input, emoji, and glide typing to confirm full function. Then re-enable personalization and suggestion features to restore your typing experience. If the problem persists, reset the system input settings or try a device safe mode boot to isolate other apps. As a last resort, consider a factory reset after backing up. One key troubleshooting tip: if problems return, watch for recently installed apps. Uninstall them first before deeper resets.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.